Hi everyone. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the EZHI single-phase hybrid microinverter. The EZHI system includes the microinverter itself, PV modules, mounting brackets, and batteries. It's built for flexible DIY installations, whether on balconies, patios, courtyards, fences, or even RVs. At the heart of the system is the EZHI APsystems hybrid microinverter. It connects directly to your solar panels and battery, storing solar energy for when you need it. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can track live performance and past energy data right from the AP EasyPower app, making monitoring and maintenance simple and smart. The EZHI uses natural cooling with a fan-free design, so it runs quietly with no noise. It also meets EMC performance standards EN 61000, giving you the same reliability you'd expect from household appliances. It's compatible with most 51.2 volts low voltage batteries on the market. Thanks to its high frequency transformer isolation design, the EZHI minimizes leakage risks during charging for safer DIY energy storage operation. You can also easily integrate the EZHI into an existing DIY microinverter PV setup, upgrading it into a hybrid solution and expanding your total system power output. Be sure to check out our next video. Bye bye.